Well, welcome. Here we are. You can hear the beach, the birds, the ocean, the traffic. I'm here at D River, Wayside, watching the waves curl over themselves and come down in thunderous crashes. It's fascinating. The spin drift, which is the spray that goes the opposite way when the waves fall, curl. Looks pretty nice. I am just about to go to therapy, which will be my, I don't know, maybe 4th, 5th, 6th session. Not really sure, but I find myself really struggling lately, but it's okay in a way. The struggle lets me know that all I have to do is make the decision to do something, and it's that waiting period, that thinking period, that creative time, and trying to hold what it is I'm doing easily. And you know, being an entrepreneur, being a realtor, being a politician, you know, they're all very me, you know, and people want to work with you or talk with you or buy your stuff because they see you. And sure, that's a lot of pressure, but we're all awesome. I mean, really, we are. And we all have such fantastic stories, and it's wonderful, really, when you can just kind of relax and connect with, and and share your experiences with someone that you feel that trust, and it's really nice. And I think it's important. There's a beautiful crow. Oh, was a beautiful crow. But I think that, you know, for me personally, you know, I know all these things that I have to do. I know what I would like to do, and then I kind of get this like, ooh, yeah, but I also like this, and I also like this, and I also like this. And then I find myself like, it's like too much stuff going on, right? And then I'm just kind of like, okay, let me take a moment to get refocused and do that. And it's challenging for me. I mean, it really is hard. And you know, but I like it. I like the challenge. I like that kind of multi-directional, you know, involvement in other things. Is it what's best for me? Is it what I should be doing? Everyone's gonna have their own, every single person's gonna have their own idea, right? But it's what resonates best with me, what really vibes with me, what I really feel comfortable doing, what I really feel like I could and want to be doing. It's incredible. You know, there's so many jobs out there that if I wanted to stop doing any of the things, totally feel comfortable being successful in other things, and you know, and that's okay. Self-care, I think, is super important. I'm just now, I think, sleeping through the night, so that's been a really big challenge, like not waking up. And I like to eat cereal in the middle of the night, so there's that, which is, we can talk about that another time, but it's not that. It's okay. I need to drink more water. Okay, that's the truth. Drink more water and you'll feel better. For me, right? We're all different, but for me, I know drinking more water is better. And not, excuse me for a second, let me, no plugs, but only two-handed because I don't want to show who it's from, you know, copyright infringements or anything. Anyway, It's gorgeous. This time of the year here in the Oregon coast is simply beautiful. The sunrises have been pink and purple and looks like cotton balls, and I've shared with you the beauty of the waves crashing. The sunsets have been so amazing, and it's just it just goes and goes and goes, and you know, day after day after day there's this beauty, and day after day it ends with such beauty, and it's so inspirational. And I can't help but feel so lucky to be here and think, how can I see this beauty, this peace, serenity, glorious magic of Oregon, and then worry so much about what's going to happen? You know, we all have different beliefs, but, you know, believing that we're protected, believing that we're loved, and that we have that love is super important. In the inner space, right? Because that's where it is. Only I know what I'm thinking about. Only you know what you're thinking about, and we can't fool ourselves, right? We know what we're thinking about. We know where our struggles are. We know what triggers us, or what we use to go around things that we do or don't want to do. And it's almost like I feel I need to like start each day by running in the ocean, so that it's like chick, you know, because, and I only say that because on January 1st I did do that. I went into Devil's Lake, which was 37 degrees, and I went into the ocean, which was 47 degrees or 48. And like going into 37 degree water, oh my gosh, that was the most cold water I think I've ever been in. I mean, that was wild. I fell in a pond once when I was like 10, and was kind of pulled out by the guy who ended up being my tormentor, my bully. It was awful. But it was interesting that the guy who was like evil to me was also the one that pulled me out of the water, right? I'm sure there's some kind of thing there, but I saw him years later, and I was like, you know what you did to me? And I'll just share with you quickly. He sprayed lighter fluid on me and tried to light me on fire. He shot an arrow into my foot, and he tried to like hook me with a fishing pole. He didn't get me. And he taught me this game where you stand in front of each other, and then you throw a knife in the ground, and then if the knife sticks into the ground, then you move your foot or something. I understand how wild it is, but it was a game that I thought, oh hey, everybody plays this game. Let's throw knives at people's feet. God. That's why. Now you ever wonder, like, what's wrong with Riley? No, there's no. Yes. No. Anyway, the point is, we have to do it. You have to make, I have to make those decisions. I have to do something, you know, and just go and do it, right? That's it. Right, wrong, indifferent, just do the action. And you know, what comes next comes next. And then you get to make a decision at that point too. You know, we cross one thing off our list, and then there's a few more, and then we just keep going and keep going and keep going and keep going and keep going. And it's incredibly motivating to have that, but in a way, with healthy boundaries and adequate sleep and food and care and love and all of that. So I wish, you know, all of those wonderful things, all of them, to you. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate everybody that watches and provides feedback, and it's really nice, and for me it feels good to share. I don't know. It feels good. So I'm heading to therapy. So if you haven't tried it, I suggest trying it at least. It's like talking to a best friend who, yeah, gets paid to listen to you, but they have that same kind of a vibe, I think. I'm like, yeah, hey, all right, cool, yeah, all right, oh, okay, you know? So, all right, may you enjoy the sunshine where you are at. Know that I am here enjoying it, and share that with you. Want to see? Let's see, hold on one second. Get this. Look, that's the view, right? So just watching those waves go, people going back and forth, taking the time, being still, right? Looking at the beauty. I feel like I can zoom in anymore. Yeah, that's more better. You know? That's where we're at. Have a great day.